how are you? Truffles, how are you? Hi, Truffles. Hi, do you want to say hi to Marsha? Say hi to Marsha. Yeah, there's her face. Oh, come here. It's getting kind of crazy. Truffles, look it. Say hi, I'm a chocolate. I'm a pretty, pretty chocolate. Yes, I am. Yes, and she wears a ponytail quite well. Yes. See how big you are compared to the other guys. These are my little babies. Roscoe, there's Roscoe. Hey, Roscoe. Yes. And here's pregnant Chloe. Chloe, lay down so we can show Marsha your belly. Lay down. I see the belly. Look at that pregnant belly. Oh my goodness, that's big, huh? She can barely get up. She's only a 5-pounder. You're a little whale, and you're Truffle's daughter. Yes, you are. You're Truffle's daughter. And here's Chardonnay. Yep. Being a bad dog, like usual. Not really right now, but, you know, every day she does something bad. And there's Truffles again, on the couch. Say hi, Truffles. Say hi. Close up. Close up. Truffles. Say hi. Can you bark? Can you bark? Huh? Only when you're chasing the dog outside, huh? Or inside. Hey. Truffles. Say hi. Say hi. I'll let you see what's going on here with all this little barking. Everybody's wrestling. Here's my new red one, Scarlet. Scarlet! Can you say hi? Isn't she pretty? She's a red with a black mask. Hey, Scarlet! And here's little Joey. Hey, little Joey. Here's my new little boy. Little Joey. And here's Moki. Whoop. This little one is so little. She's only going to be about 3 or 4 pounds when she gets older. It's just crazy. She's so little. So I don't know what will be happening with breeding with her. If she'll be breeding, I don't know. Here we all are in my living room. This is what we do. Craziness every day. Roscoe's barking. Did you get a toy? Did you go get a toy, Truffles? You did. Did you go get a toy to play with? Yeah, you can show off now with the toy. Truffles! Yeah, you like toys, don't ya? And there's Reese. Reese! There's Reese. She's a cream liver. Creamy. Oh, Truffles, you got something stuck in your mouth. Always picking something up in the yard, aren't you? What do you think of that Chardonnay? Huh? What do you think? Crazy? Crazy little dogs to play with all the time? Oh, there's Scarlet. There's Scarlet. Playing with Roscoe. And Honey. Hi, Honey. Honey's 6 pounds. She's Roscoe's daughter and Reese's daughter. And then Moki, the little chocolate and white one right there, is Honey's daughter. And there's the new boy, Joey. He's still scared of Chardonnay. So he's kind of running away from her right now. Oh, look at you guys. Playing. Bella. Hey, Bella. This is Sienna's granddaughter. Yeah, that's Sienna's granddaughter, and she's only going to be 5 pounds. Yeah, that's Penelope's daughter, Penelope was Sienna's daughter. Yeah. Back to Trophies. Trophies. How you doing? Oh, they're all jumping up in front of her. Did you want to be on camera, Scarlett? Do you want to be on camera, Scarlett? Troubles. Say hi to Martian, everybody. Say hi. Say goodbye. We're going to go now. Yes, we're going to go. You're a pretty girl. You tell them. You're a very pretty girl. And completely potty trained. Okay. Goodbye. Goodbye. Say goodbye.